Kenefra, situated in the heart of the Middle Atlas, is known for its rich history and stunning natural landscapes. Surrounded by mountains, valleys, and rivers, this town appeals to outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The nearby river offers opportunities for fishing and kayaking, while the lush forests and hills provide excellent hiking and picnicking spots. Kenefra features traditional Moroccan architecture, with local markets bustling with activity and showcasing regional crafts, fresh produce, and authentic cuisine that reflect the area's cultural heritage. Serving as a gateway to the breathtaking sights of the Middle Atlas, Kenefra encapsulates the essence of Moroccan culture and natural beauty, ensuring a memorable experience for visitors.